Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. In today's video, we're going to quickly touch base on what's happening with Cosmos again. I'm going to give you guys my 2 cents about what I'm seeing in the charts, as well as what I'm thinking is going to be happening in the short to near future. And then I also want to quickly touch base with you guys about some things that are developing within the Cosmos ecosystem as well in the back end of this video. So please stick around for that. But before I do any of that, if you guys would help me grow here on YouTube, do me a huge solid, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. It helps me get more exposure. It helps me reach more people, especially people that are interested in the Cosmos ecosystem. So again, guys, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here and you don't know, not only are you being a great supportive person when you do subscribe to my channel, but you're also entering a giveaway where you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscriptions here on YouTube. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into the charts. We are again looking at the daily time frame, still using Market Cipher as our primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Right now, the thing I want to point out to you guys, much like I did in my previous videos, is Market Cipher B, which is the lower section of the charts that houses the RSIs, which are a lagging indicator, and the momentum waves, guys. Check out the RSIs, guys. I told you guys to be aware of the RSIs, that they were fighting for a bottom position, and it does look like it is proven itself to be right now a pretty good bottom position, guys. We have been fighting for this position, which is right around $20-ish for Atom before we started pumping back up to the upside. Now, over the past 48 hours, we have seen a price increase of over 20%. So if you guys got in right around here when the RSIs were showing you that it was fighting for position, you guys would be up about 20% if you're doing short-term trades. If you guys are doing it for your long-term holds, you guys would still be obviously up right now from your initial investment 20% or more, guys. So that is a good thing. Although I will say we have not yet on the daily time frame broken back up into the positive money flow with the momentum waves. It does look like we could actually start seeing that curvature that I always talk to you guys about start happening on the daily time frame. Now, it's a little bit too early. Probably by the end of this daily candle, and once it confirms, will we start seeing actual curvature on this red negative money momentum wave here, guys? And what I'm talking about is this wave right here, this red negative money flow wave. Once that daily candle actually does confirm, that's when I'm thinking we're going to start seeing some curvature happen, much like it looks like right here on the charts, kind of like this actually back. I don't know if my big head's in the way, kind of like this right here on the charts, guys. Once we have a daily close today, if we can maintain ourselves here, as long as we don't get a reversal, as long as we don't get dumped on, we should start seeing curvature happen, much like we saw right here on the charts, guys. And that's when I get really excited, because that's what's leading us into positive money flow again. And whenever we have really good curvature and we lead into the green again, or positive money flow, we really usually do see a pretty good explosion for Cosmos again. So that's what I'm waiting for, guys. I'm kind of waiting for that curvature to happen. That's when I'm going to be really getting a lot more hopeful than what I'm hopeful for right now, even though I will take what we're having right now every day, any day. I'm still not front running it, because we've seen time and time again where we get these signals, we get a reversal, we start pumping back up, and then we get faked out yet again and we come back down. So I'm not going to put all my eggs in the basket, guys. Even though I have been DCAing at these levels when the RSIs were fighting for position, I am not getting overexcited, and I'm definitely not front running anything, guys. I would like to see more curvature happen with that negative money flow back up to the upside. But right now on Market Cipher A, guys, I want to show you guys what I have here. Let me clear this up a little bit more, clean it up, I should say. Look at this candle right now, guys. This is engulfing all the previous days, which is super bullish, guys. Super bullish for Cosmos, guys. I think people are finally starting to recognize and wake up to the fact that interoperability is going to be the key for crypto going forward. I really do honestly think with all of my heart that 2022, excuse me, is going to be the year for Cosmos, guys. I think the Cosmos ecosystem is going to explode. It's going to melt people's minds in 2022, guys. And I think a lot of other people are also waking up to that fact that interoperability, which of course is the backbone and basically the essence of Cosmos, I think it is going to be the gate and the key to mainstream adoption for crypto going forward. So again, guys, I think a lot of people are waking up to that. I know I sound like a broken record, but I'm going to keep beating that drum. I'm going to keep playing that record over and over until people fully understand what I'm talking about, guys. But right now, guys, this looks really hopeful. I also want to just warn you guys not to, again, front run anything all too much, guys. Don't get overly excited because we've seen this happen once before. So I'm not going to be the bearer of bad news here, but I do want to be the person kind of cautioning you going forward, because we saw what looked to be a rally right here before getting reversed on here. Now, I will say this had a lot more to do than just well games. This was, you know, a lot of narrative being pumped out there in social media. Now, I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty of that because it's a touchy subject for a lot of people. But that was like the economic scare, Evergrande, also the virus scares and stuff like that. Guys, it was a combination of a lot of stuff, and the feds and all that stuff, like kind of just pouring all the gravy onto our mill right here, guys, which pretty much led to us coming right back down. But we saw it happen before, so I do want to kind of like just warn you guys, kind of caution you guys about maybe getting overly bullish right now. We want to see certain things be captured before we actually take a really bullish stance. But right now, guys, this does look really, really good, guys. This candle that we're currently in that has 9 hours yet to fully confirm, guys, is engulfing all of these recent candles that we just went through when we were consolidating to the downside, guys, which is, again, a good thing. For me, what I would like to see on a daily time frame is us break through this downwards descending wedge pattern, guys. I would like to see us break through resistance right now on the daily time frame. That would be key for me to get more and more bullish. And then again, if I go to the 4-hour time frame, I would like to see us actually capture the 50 SMA, which right now we actually just got above it, guys. We just got above the 50 SMA, which is a really good thing. And on the 4-hour time frame, we're actually breaking up and out. We have broken up just recently past this resistance line, which has been holding up for a good while now. So again, really, really bullish, guys. Let's hope that this upward momentum stays with us, that we can maintain it, guys. That's what I'm looking for right now. I'm not taking an overly bullish stance just yet. I've been buying these dips, like I said, as we go down. But right now, I would like certain things to flip or be captured before I take an ultra bullish stance. So right now, again, guys, you can see that we ping pong going up and out. We broke out of this upwards channel that we were creating. We broke through this downwards resistance line that we were facing just recently. And now what I would like to see is us maybe possibly just thread it for a little while and then bounce like a springboard of support and try to recapture this point on the Fibonacci retracement, which is right around $28.54. That's the 0.382. That's what I would like to see us do. If we can, guys, that would put us in a trajectory back to the upside in a really, really bullish form, guys. And that would be really, really cool to see. But right now, that's what I'm seeing, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope this video finds you guys in good health and good standings, in profits. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, peace.